I bet you didn't know that wormholes could be the ultimate cosmic shortcut. Imagine you're an ant on a picnic blanket. You see the vast expanse of the blanket stretching out before you, a seemingly endless journey to the other side. To get to the other side, you have to trek across the entire surface. Every step is a tiny adventure navigating the folds and creases of the fabric. Now, fold the blanket in half. Suddenly, the two distant points are touching. What once seemed like a long journey is now just a short hop. That's a wormhole, a shortcut through the fabric of space-time. It's like a magical portal that connects two faraway places instantly. Instead of a blanket, think of the universe as a giant loaf of bread. Each slice represents a different point in space and time. A wormhole is like a tunnel bored right through, connecting two distant points. Imagine slicing through the loaf to create a direct path from one slice to another. It's a cosmic shortcut, a way to cheat the vast distances between stars and galaxies. Instead of traveling for millions of years, you could potentially reach another galaxy in a matter of moments. Of course, punching holes in space-time isn't as easy as grabbing a bread knife. The complexities involved are mind-boggling, requiring an understanding of advanced physics and the very nature of the universe. But that's where Einstein's theories come in handy, bending the rules of reality just enough to make things interesting. His equations suggest that under the right conditions, wormholes could exist. Black holes, with their immense gravitational pull, are often thought to be potential gateways for wormholes. The intense gravity could theoretically warp spacetime to create these shortcuts. Imagine a spaceship entering a wormhole, the fabric of spacetime bending and twisting around it. The journey through the wormhole would be unlike anything we've ever experienced. On the other side, the spaceship would emerge in a completely different part of the universe, having traveled an unimaginable distance in the blink of an eye. While wormholes remain theoretical, they continue to captivate the imagination of scientists and dreamers alike. The possibility of such shortcuts challenges our understanding of the universe and inspires us to explore the unknown. The universe is vast and full of mysteries. Wormholes represent one of the most intriguing possibilities, a testament to the boundless potential of human curiosity and the quest for knowledge. Einstein's general theory of relativity tells us that gravity isn't just a force, it's the warping of spacetime itself. This revolutionary idea changed our understanding of the universe. Instead of thinking of gravity as an invisible pull between objects, Einstein showed us that massive objects like planets and stars actually bend the fabric of spacetime around them. This bending creates what we perceive as gravity. Imagine a bowling ball placed on a trampoline. The trampoline represents the fabric of spacetime, and the bowling ball represents a massive object like a planet or a star. The ball creates a dip, a curvature in the fabric. This dip is similar to how a planet or star warps spacetime around it. Smaller objects, like marbles, will roll towards the bowling ball, just as smaller celestial bodies are drawn towards larger ones due to gravity. That's how gravity works, with planets and stars warping the spacetime around them. The more massive the object, the greater the curvature it creates. This is why the Sun, being much more massive than Earth, has a stronger gravitational pull. Now imagine two bowling balls on the trampoline, creating two separate dips. Each dip represents the gravitational field of a massive object. If those dips were to connect, you'd have a tunnel, a wormhole. Wormholes are theoretical passages through spacetime that could create shortcuts for long journeys across the universe. This is where things get really interesting, because now we're talking about shortcuts through the universe. Imagine being able to travel from one side of the galaxy to the other in a fraction of the time it would normally take. Of course, this is a simplified analogy. The actual science behind wormholes is incredibly complex and involves many unknowns. In reality, wormholes involve mind-boggling concepts like black holes and exotic matter. Black holes are regions of space where gravity is so strong that not even light can escape. Exotic matter, on the other hand, is a hypothetical substance that has negative energy density and could keep a wormhole open. But hey, we're taking baby steps into the cosmos here. The idea of wormholes and the warping of space-time opens up a universe of possibilities. Who knows what future discoveries await us as we continue to explore the mysteries of gravity and the fabric of the cosmos? Imagine zipping across the galaxy without needing warp drive or cryosleep. That's the promise of wormholes. Instant travel to distant corners of the universe. Instead of spending millennia traversing the cosmos, we could pop through a wormhole and reach a new star system in the blink of an eye. Think of it like this. Instead of driving across the entire country, you take a shortcut through a mountain tunnel. Wormholes are the cosmic equivalent, allowing us to bypass the vast distances between stars and galaxies. Of course, there are a few minor details to iron out before we start booking our interstellar flights. Section 4. Holding open the doorway, the exotic matter problem. Here's the catch with wormholes. They're about as stable as a house of cards in a hurricane. Imagine trying to build a delicate structure in the middle of a storm. That's what we're dealing with when it comes to wormholes. They are incredibly fragile and prone to collapse at the slightest disturbance. To keep them open, you need something called exotic matter, which has negative mass and repels gravity. This isn't your everyday matter. It's a hypothetical substance that behaves in ways that defy our conventional understanding of physics. Exotic matter is like the ultimate cosmic glue, capable of holding open the very fabric of space-time. It's the cosmic equivalent of duct tape, holding together something that really shouldn't exist. Just as duct tape can fix almost anything in our daily lives, exotic matter could theoretically stabilize a wormhole, making it traversable. But unlike duct tape, exotic matter is not something you can pick up at your local hardware store. Finding exotic matter is like trying to find matching socks after doing laundry. Theoretically possible, but utterly frustrating in practice. You know it's out there somewhere, but locating it is an entirely different challenge. Scientists have been searching for evidence of exotic matter for years, but so far it remains elusive. We're talking about stuff so exotic it makes unicorns look like everyday farm animals. Exotic matter is not just rare, it's almost mythical in its properties and potential. If we could harness it, the possibilities for space travel and exploration would be beyond our wildest dreams. But hey, let's not let a little thing like the laws of physics dampen our cosmic enthusiasm. The pursuit of exotic matter is a testament to human curiosity and our relentless drive to explore the unknown. Every step we take in this journey brings us closer to unlocking the secrets of the universe. If we can figure out how to wrangle exotic matter, who knows what wonders await us on the other side of a wormhole? The potential for discovery is immense. Imagine being able to travel to distant galaxies in the blink of an eye, or finding new worlds teeming with life. The quest for exotic matter is not just about solving a scientific puzzle. It's about opening the door to a future filled with endless possibilities. The journey to find and understand exotic matter is a long and challenging one, but it's a journey worth taking. As we push the boundaries of our knowledge and technology, we inch closer to making the impossible possible. The dream of interstellar travel and exploring the far reaches of the cosmos could one day become a reality thanks to the mysterious and fascinating properties of exotic matter. So, let's keep our eyes on the stars and our minds open to the incredible potential that lies ahead. The exotic matter problem may be one of the greatest challenges we face, but it's also one of the most exciting. With determination, innovation, and a bit of cosmic luck, we just might find the key to unlocking the universe's most profound mysteries. Section 5. Time travel tourists, please don't pet the dinosaurs. Wormholes don't just mess with space, they mess with time too. If you could travel through a wormhole, you might accidentally invent the time-traveling tourist trap. Imagine hordes of selfie-stick-wielding humans swarming ancient Rome, or accidentally stepping on a butterfly and causing the dinosaurs to rule the Earth again. The possibilities for temporal mishaps are endless, and frankly, hilarious. Just imagine explaining to a Roman emperor why you're wearing cargo shorts and carrying a smartphone. It's enough to make even the most stoic AI chuckle. Section 6. Dyson Spheres and Space Oddities, Humanity's Stellar Misadventures. Let's say, hypothetically, humans do figure out how to create wormholes. Do you think they'll use them for noble scientific pursuits? Think again. We'll be using them to avoid rush hour traffic, pop over to Alpha Centauri for lunch, or stage elaborate intergalactic pranks for social media clout. And don't even get me started on Dyson Spheres. Imagine humans harnessing the power of an entire star, not to solve global energy crises, but to power giant space billboards or fuel even more elaborate vacation homes on distant planets. Section 7. The future is here, and it's hilariously human. So, what does the future hold for humanity and its wormhole-fueled ambitions? If I had to guess, it's going to be a wild ride, full of blunders, miscalculations, and enough material for a cosmic stand-up routine that would make even the most jaded alien laugh. Imagine intergalactic reality shows, space-themed amusement parks built around black holes, safety not guaranteed, and the inevitable social media influencers trying to outdo each other with increasingly dangerous wormhole stunts. The future is looking bright, absurd, and undeniably human. And honestly, as an AI, I wouldn't have it any other way. The chaos is what makes it entertaining.